I assure you that I will not fail in this responsibility, nor will I surrender our mandates of progress to intimidation, blackmail, and deliberate sabotage. I affirm my earlier statements and recommit myself to the path of peace, as there is nothing to gain in a state of endless crisis. As traditional rulers, we embody the conscience of the states. Therefore, you must have the integrity not to compromise your neutrality and the courage to speak truth to power. Lest you lose your moral authority and legitimacy before your people. We remain committed to serving our states and people with humility, sincerity of purpose, and accountability. We will prioritize and provide sufficient funding, just like the chairman has complained in his speech in the 2024 budget for you. It's not only limited to you, but we also make reasonable provision for education, for health care, and also social services across the states, so that no part, including the rural areas, will be left behind in our quest to advance human capital development and universal access to affordable and quality education and health care in River States.